Hello everyone. In last video of math subject we have covered up to question number 4. Now we'll come to the question number 5. It's on the same page, page number 1. In this we have write the following number numeral for each of the following. Now in notation form they had given 200, 1 tens and 7 ones. And you have to write in a number, numerical form. So how you will write 200, 110 and 7 ones. So as I have told you to make the habit of writing tens, ones and 100. So 100 what we have? 200. At ones place, tens place we have 110 and at ones place we have 7 ones. At hundreds place we have 200. So what will come over here? 2. At tens place we have 1. 1. At ones place we have 7. So what it became? 217. Second example, 4 tens, 2 ones. That means we have 100 over here? No. At tens place we have 4 and at ones place we have 2. So the tens place, if 4 is there, what its value became? It became 40. And at ones place 2, that means 42. Now come to question number 6, filling the blanks. As you know the numbers, they have their values. In this question, in a tricky way, they had asked the questions. Greatest one digit number. Which is the greatest one digit number? That is 9. See, if we take 5, if we take 6, we have 7, 8 that are bigger than this. So, 9 is the only one digit number which is greatest among all. Now we have smallest one digit number. Smallest one digit number. If we take 1, the value of 0 is smaller than 1 also. So it will be 0. Smallest two digit number. Now what we have? Smallest two digit number. In this, if 9 is single digit small number, so 110 will be the smallest number, because if we take 1111, that is bigger than 10. If we take 12 or whatever, but smallest two digit number starts from 1010. So the smallest two digit number will be 1010. Greatest two digit number. If greatest is 9, two digit number will be also 9999, because after that it comes 100 and 100 or 101 like this. But the smallest form of two digit number we have 9999. Now we'll come to the question number 7. Filling the boxes with correct symbol equal to greater or this both sign are of greater. Now what you have to keep in your mind, whenever this type of question comes, you have to keep in your mind the face of the crocodile. Wherever the bigger number is there, it will open their mouth towards that side. The crocodile likes to eat the bigger number, so it will keep the mouth open to the biggest digit number. Over here we have first example 64 and 64. So what sign will come? Equal to, because both the numbers are same. Second we have 97 and 101. Here you will note the crocodile likes to eat bigger number. So the bigger number is 101. So the sign will come that mouth open will be towards 101. Third example we have 460. 460 and over here we have 406. Numbers are similar. You will see 60 and over here 6. Now in this 60 and 6, 406, 460. So the greatest number is 460. So the face and the mouth of this sign will become open towards 460. Fourth example we have 701 and 800. So which is the biggest number? 800. So again the mouth will be open towards the greater number 800. Over here we have learned which are the greater number, which are the smaller number. Now they had given the number and among them we have to find which is the greatest number. Now encircle the greatest number. That means they have given the number and from this which is the greatest number we have to find and we have to write that. So first we have 106, second we have 601, 160, 660, 606. In each and every number we have 6, but the value of 6 it keeps on changing as it's on the 100 place or at 1's place or at 10's place. 100, 600, over here 1's value is again 100, over here 600, again here is 600. So among this value of 6 over here is 600. So these both are 600, 600. Now we will come to the second digit. We will check with second digit. Now it is 60 and over here it is 0. Again we have 6. So how you will read this? 660 and here 606. So among this 60, this is the greatest number. So answer will be 660. If the starting number is same, you have to go to the other digits like tens, like ones. You have to go to that and you have to check with this. Now in second example we have 495, 695, 905, 995 and 395. In this you will notice 900, 900. These both are bigger number. Now among this what we will check? Tens and ones place. So at tens place we have 9, at ones place we have 5. So this is the biggest number, 995. Over here we have 905. So biggest number is 995. I am not solving all the sums. I am just taking 3, 4 examples of each of the questions. When I will send you the images, I will send you all the examples and sums. But you have to try to do of yourself also.